Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are very welcome. Thank you. I hope you stay to the end of the video. Guys, I almost forgot that's that oil was hot. I was using my rubber spoon, my spoon for spark to turn it. It almost got burned, but thank God I just switched to the iron spoon. So today the video is very simple. It's just me in my kitchen making egg sauce and plantain, but the plantain is already ready. So while I prepare the egg sauce, I just want to talk a little about myself. Hope you guys don't mind. And cooking has always been my quiet space. It helps me think, like it helped me to reset. I love cooking. Not like really love cooking though, but I love cooking. I love cooking for myself. I'm always comfortable cooking for myself. I just start learning cooking for people around, but at some point I always like cooking for only myself. In case you don't know me, my name is Ray. My name is Rachel, but you can call me Ray. And then I'm someone who believes in taking life one step at a time. I don't always know what I wanted to do or where life was leading me, but I knew one thing is that I wanted something flexible, something that could grow with me. That's how I found myself exploring online opportunities and streaming apps, and streaming has really helped me, and it's still helping me, though I know I've not gotten massive opportunities or gone big or earn big, but the little I'm earning, I'm so grateful. I'm very grateful. And it wasn't easy because I needed something I could do at my pace. That's how I had to, okay, I found myself taking it one step at a time. So streaming apps opened my eyes to a different kind of consistency. Like, you understand, showing up, talking to people, building confidence, and learning how to use my time wisely, because they said time is money, so you have to use your time. It wasn't always comfortable at first, because at some point you are a newbie, and a newbie, you just be alone looking at your camera, only you. And one sweet thing I love about those streaming apps that I've come across is that some of them, you don't need to even show your face for you to earn. You don't need to interact with people. So this my own streaming app, they are just amazing. That's and though some points you have to talk, you have to talk to people, you have to interact with friends, you need to make friends, because only you coming to stream and go, it's not really the idea. So you have to make friends, and it will also help you build your confidence, just the way it's helping me to build my confidence. I'm in a phase where I'm just trying to figure out things by myself. Like, I just have to start somewhere. I have to start small, and I know it's okay to start small, even if I don't have people clapping for me or pushing me, but I just have to keep it up. So thank you for spending those few minutes with me. If you're enjoying this calm cooking and chats, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in my comments. I will see you in my next video. I'm blowing you a big heart. Thank you.